Ports Group Q3 profit rises 20% and Wall Street rallies on positive inflation data. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Ports Group's Q3 net profit rose 20% year-on-year to $109.7 million. Revenue surged by 189% to $1.15 billion. This included the impact from recent investments, namely Ports' acquisition of Noatum's logistics, maritime and ports business. EBITDA rose by 28% to $206.64 million, largely supported by its Noatum acquisition and investment in Karachi Gateway Terminal. Its maritime and shipping cluster was the biggest growth contributor, with revenue accounting for 56% of the total. ADNOC Gas posted a 4% year-on-year drop in Q3 net profit to $1.1 billion on lower prices. Q3 EBITDA soared 15% year-on-year to $1.8 billion, while operating profit reached $1.5 billion. Quarterly revenue was down 12% year-on-year to $5.8 billion on lower gas prices. Q3 capital expenditure surged by 80% year-on-year to $347 million. For the first 9 months of the year, revenue dropped 17% to $16.4 billion, and net profit fell 10% to $3.4 billion. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq posted their biggest daily percentage gains since April overnight, as softer than expected inflation data boosted hopes the Fed may be done raising interest rates. The S&P gained 1.91%, the Nasdaq gained 2.37%, and the Dow rose 1.43%. October inflation was the smallest in 2 years, with CPI climbing to 3.2% year-on-year, below economists' estimates. Since March 2022, the Fed has hiked its policy rate by 525 basis points. Snapchat rose nearly 8% overnight after it revealed a deal with Amazon that will allow Snap users to purchase Amazon products within the Snap app. The new agreement will allow users to see real-time pricing, delivery estimates, and product details. Last week, Amazon struck a similar deal with Meta, where Facebook and Instagram users can purchase Amazon products on those platforms. The share price jump still leaves Snap 692% lower than its September 2021 peak. The Wall Street rally is reflected in today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking, which tracks the daily wins and losses of the world's wealthiest people. Our biggest winner is Elon Musk. He's up $9.8 billion overnight after Tesla rallied about 7%. Our second biggest winner today is LVMH's Bernard Arnault, up $4.8 billion with net wealth of $187.4 billion. And our third place winner is Jeff Bezos, up $3.2 billion with net wealth of $168.5 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest billionaires news. And staying with billionaires, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has shed its holdings in GM and Procter & Gamble and trimmed its stake in Amazon.com. Berkshire boosted its cash pile to a record $157.2 billion. It unloaded its $848 million stake in GM, its $48 million stake in P&G, and its $621 million stake in Celanese, a specialty materials company. It opened an $8 million stake in Atlanta Braves Holdings, which indirectly controls the baseball team. And China's October economic activity rose as industrial output grew at a faster pace and retail sales growth beat expectations. It's an encouraging sign for an economy still showing pockets of weakness despite a flurry of support measures. Official data shows China's industrial output grew 4.6% in October year-on-year, accelerating from 4.5% in September. Retail sales rose 7.6% in October from a 5.5% gain in September. Industrial production growth in October rose to 4.6% from 4.5%. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.